Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about my favorite nail polishes that I've been constantly wearing. So I just wanted to share all of these nail polish recommendations to you guys. This is the first time ever on my channel I'm talking about nail polishes. Somebody suggested that I make this video what nail polishes that I use and stuff like that. So I don't have a lot of nail polishes, I just have 5, and it's a mixture of nudes and pastel. So those are the only 2 types of nail polishes that I wear. I either wear nice nude colors or I wear pastel colors. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video, before which please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. I make a lot of beauty content videos, skincare, makeup reviews, foundations, lipsticks. So yeah, if you're interested in those kind of beauty content, then definitely do consider subscribing. Most of you guys watching this video, like 80% of the people watching my video are not subscribed. So I would really love it if you could subscribe to my channel, give me your support, and that will make me very happy, and I will make more good quality, good content for all of you guys. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, the only 2 brands that I have been buying and using in terms of nail polish is K-Beauty and Nykaa. So these are the 2 brands that I'm going to be talking about, the colors and everything. Just 5 nail polishes, 3 nudes and 2 pastels. Okay, like 1 pastel and 1 like in between a pastel and a deep color. I'm not too sure what color that is. So anyway, so the first nail polish that I'm going to be talking about is the K-Beauty nail polish. I really like the K-Beauty nail polish. The quality is so great, but however you need to go over the you need to have like 2 coats at least for that opaque finish. So yeah, so this is such a nice nail polish. The entire, I have like 5 to 6 K-Beauty nail polishes, I guess, and this one in particular is the shade called Sun Glory. It's a very beautiful nude color. I have it on my nails, except for this nail I have like a golden polish, but all of these nails I do have this particular shade. It's a very pretty nude with a hint of pink, a very slight bit of pink, but mostly it's a very nice nude color. And if you are like a wheatish skin tone, this will definitely suit you. If you're much more deeper than I am, this might not suit you, but with nail polishes it's like completely personal preference. If you do like these kind of pastel pinky kind of nude shades, then definitely go for it. Such a beautiful color, and yeah, one of my favorite nail polishes. And the next is also from K-Beauty, which is another nude. This is a little bit of a deeper nude. It's kind of like gray toned nude in the shade called Rhythm. This is such a beautiful shade, you guys, and this is a little bit deeper than Sun Glory. I want to keep it side by side so that you can see the difference. So this is Sun Glory and this is Rhythm. Okay, so this is more cool tone and it's a little bit more deeper than Sun Glory. So for dusky skin tone girls, this is going to be so beautiful. It's going to look extremely gorgeous on your nails. And the third nail polish that I've kind of been loving, I've been kind of loving this recently. This is my recent purchase from Nykaa. This is the So Breathable or Breathable, whatever. So it's that particular collection that they launched very recently, and this is the shade called Peace Out. This is a gray toned, purpley toned nudish color. This I thought this will be like a purple lavender color, but it's not. It's kind of like a nude color with a hint of purple and gray undertone to it. Such a beautiful shade. Medium, deep, dusky skin tone, all skin tones can pull this off. It's going to look extremely gorgeous on you. The formulation of this particular range, the breathable range, is much better than their original Nykaa nail polishes ranges. So this is the best formulations out of all the nail paints that they have ever launched. So this is such a beautiful shade. Again, the shade is called Peace Out. Very beautiful nudie gray toned color. And the next 2 are a little bit of a colorful thing, but again pastel and light colors. So the next one that I'm going to be talking about is this K Beauty Nail Nourish Nail Lacquer. Again, K Beauty nail polish. This is in the shade Tender Lavender. Look how gorgeous this shade is. Such a beautiful pastel lavender color. I love lavender colors. I like purples. Like you can see on my eyes, I've been wearing purples constantly, and I really like lavender color also. It's such a pretty fresh color if you're like very in a very happy, joyful mood. If you want some fun colors, and if you have some floral dresses to wear, then definitely go for this color. And if you wear white floral dresses or white dresses in general, this is going to look extremely gorgeous. And I really like the shade. My sister keeps wearing this particular shade like again and again and again. So she wears this, removes this, wears this again, because such a pretty color, and I've used this quite a lot. And these K Beauty and Nykaa nail polishes, they last for a very long time. I've been using this for the past like so many months, 6-7 months, and I still have this, and I use this quite a lot. And such a beautiful lavender shade, beautiful. Okay, so the last color that I'm going to be talking about is again from Nykaa, again from the Breathable range, and this is the shade called Minty Fresh. Now this is kind of like in between blue and green. Okay, this is not a perfect green or a perfect blue color, it's in between that. Such a gorgeous color. Again if you want something fun, again it's going to look nice if you wear black dresses or white dresses, and it's going to look very beautiful on medium, deep, dusky skin tones as well. Such a gorgeous different sort of a color. I've never seen a color like this. It's very unique. So beautiful. Okay, so yeah, that's the last shade. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed all my nail polish recommendations. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do more of these nail polish recommendations. I've been trying to buy more nail polishes from other brands also, and I've been using a lot of, I'm not a nail polish person. I don't wear a lot of nail polishes, but I've become that person now. I've started to wear more nail polishes. I'm not like great at manicure or anything, but yeah, I just like to wear it sometimes, if not perfectly, at least yeah, I like to wear it. So if you want me to make more of these nail polish related videos, and also let me know your recommendations for me, brands that I can try nail polishes, because I'm not very well versed in this. I'm just sharing whatever I use, and I hope you found this helpful in some way. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.